sit down and stress out over nothing at all. Remember, say you have me as your big sister. You understand? I'm there here for you. I look out for you. I have one doctor friend. It's like you have your subject them and something. I know you have the head piece more than me, you know, sis. I'm bigger than you, you know. But I know you're brighter than me. But even though I don't, me want you to come out to anything where you want to come out to. When me not get me glad you get it and want you go further in a real life. So you see my doctor friend who I have? I go talk to her. See? I talk to her for you. And my friend, no matter how much somebody, she have to work with her with a 1, 2, or 3. As long as I'm me, she will find a space for you. I want a good woman. I tell her that. So I don't want you to sit down here and stress out about no job and no this and no that. No worry yourself. When you find something here to eat, you can stay with me. No worry yourself. When you get a job, you help me pay the bill them.
Everywhere come to find they don't want to pay me.
Guess what? They cannot pay you. They can't pay you because the way how your brain up like that. The people them when you look work with, they know say they have to go pay you the exact money where you're supposed to get. And some of them are thief, so you better some of them not take you. The right person will want you to work with them, whatever organization, the boss, our manager, or supervisor, we choose you. I know you alone go to college and have much degree and this and that and much subject and sit down at the yard. Right now in Jamaica, you're not working. Whole heap of people, but then don't give up. And you are my sister and I don't want you to give up on yourself because God don't give up on you. Just always have faith and pray and ask God for a prosperous life. Ask God to cover you and open doors for you. Tell God to send blessings and favor in your life. Because indeed if everyone away. Sis, you know, say I know one man will stop rain fall upon. I know one somebody alone. I know me alone. This a body rain go fall upon alone and you stand up there so the rain fall. No. Gotta make everybody get little bit of the rain. So maybe today I feel that person blessings and tomorrow I feel. You a chat, you just left college. Some people left college long time, much years now, have much subject, certificate, everything. And now they can't get a proper job.
Boy, if it's tired, I'm tired of this.
You rough in a jam down here, man.
I go on job hunting every day from last week and the week before.
Then you think me no know?
I'm tired of it now, man.
No, man, no give up,
But
man.
I'm find something else there, man.
No give up, but guess what, you know? You see, although you have so much education in your brain, you know, so you can go on training school to and get one skill. If you want.
I about the camera sitting there, man.
Oh, you know, I'm better go through the day.
I left school so long and then go back.
But anyway, you know, you take up no badness. Because I know say you want that girl when you in Brittany. I don't have nothing against her, no. I know say you know Brittany a long time and you and her go to the same school.
Every day, Brittany. And what happens so? What? Every minute you talk to me and talk about Brittany. Brittany only friend with me have?
No, listen. That me come to talk about because
Brittany. I'm sick of this Brittany argument now, man. I'm tired. Brittany are no bad company. Brittany a good girl.
You see Brittany?
Brittany, man.
Just listen to me.
Brittany.
Listen to me. You never hear your teacher say? When I did smaller and they go to school teacher, so when she attack, you listen. Because we now go hear what she say. Listen what me say. I don't have anything against Brittany. But Brittany chat to too much man. And you notice she not chat to no man her age. A be old man she chat to. Brittany have about 6 or 7 picnic. And who are daddy? She don't know none of the daddy them. So they, you see, bad influence.
But sis, me you don't know who daddy.
I don't care about that. I done great band, whole and great and the pan land all long. So me experience, me don't want you go to it. Me don't want you come breed up and have one bag of chicken like you eat behind you and no feeding.
Me nah breed, sis. Me alright.
You not breed?
You want me to say no?
Yeah, you know.
Try start out to look work for me. So
me I go do it. Me I go do it, but make sure say if you have no.
Take care of your bills them and stay with them.
That's what I about.
So if you go help me do the work, help me do the work. Come off a Brittany name, man. Brittany. Me sick of this thing now, man. I wouldn't mind that show his backside too.
So if I know me buy you, a Brittany give you? Let me tell you something.
Yeah, Brittany.
Anyhow, you know make sure say you talk to Brittany. But then if a pitney the way she got and the father now mind them, she a go breed again. Yes.
Hey. Brittany.
What going, girl?
Girl, that eat me there, each time I see her call me. What going?
Look here.
Mm.
So this is something to become here. We are from far, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. You see, your boyfriend, another you we're thinking, be. You're saying, long one bag of
Wait, my boyfriend?
Just up in the ears and listen, you know? Imagine, me go on tender and I see, me see funny, understand? And I say my friend request and he accept it and in the panting that look woman. So I tell you this, if in the relationship, if you just don't have to kind of speak there, you do it. But
Where say you do? Where say you do? Go pa one see who? Who you say dead? Come in here, you know. Who you say dead?
You hear me, sir?
Where you say?
Hello?
Where you say?
Me say, your boyfriend, where you claim to say, are your man. The fan tender, I look woman, and even accept my friend request. So let's talk about how you animal build future, and it's gonna come from party, you decide that one bag of rare, it's not a good boy. You hear me?
How long now you see this, Brittany?
What do you mean how long now me see this? Just glad to me tell you.
Jesus Christ. This is not look good.
Well, up on the road me there, and me say me now wait till me reach home because I don't know what time I go reach home. So me say me just call you and make you know what go on. You understand? And if you don't believe me, can even send you a screenshot.
Alright, send me the screenshot then. No one then. Cause you know me can't just take your thing, you know?
Okay.
Later.
Alright then later.
Alright. The boy ever ramp with me, see? That boy ever ramp with me, see? God. You see, I don't know. Tinder. This can't real. So she actually sent me the screen. So Brittany actually sent me the screenshot them. Alright. I know what to do with it. I gotta fix the business here.
You know, say me I go check with my friend about the work for you right now. But guess what? I beg you to catch up me here for me this morning and you catch it too tight. So when I reach down the road when nobody know they on the road, I pull up me and catch you up in a one and then I go chat to my friend for you. My doctor friend. We can get you work here. It's tight man, right? It's too tight. Me catch up in a one. Me take out them and catch up in a one when we reach home. So go check my doctor friend.
Alright, so how long ago you started feeling the burning sensation?
You know, Doc said around 2 days now.
Okay.
But me wonder, usually this now for you know. I want to help you, you know.
So like, do you see any specific color discharge coming out?
Boy, Doc, you know, say blue.
You know, that is critical, right?
You critical?
Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to give you 3 insulins.
You don't give me no pill.
Yes, you're going to have to get some pills.
But me can't take pills though.
You have to get it because it's antibiotics. That's the only way you're going to be able to fight the virus. Alright? So I'm going to prescribe them for you, and at the front desk, they're going to give it to you.
So doctor can't give me it now.
You're going to get it now. I'm going to send it. You're going to collect them at the front.
I don't really want nobody else to know what we have enough.
I understand what you're saying, but I mean, it's how the policy is right now. I don't have all the medications here. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to call my assistant, and my assistant will provide you with them. Alright, so let me just send the message quickly and alert her.
Go on that doc.
It's okay, it's on the intercom. They're communicating. I can hear what they're saying from the inside here.
You sure?
Yes. No worries. Everything that you do here is quite confidential. Alright?
Alright doc.
How old are you?
Right, 18.
Okay.
Doc, you sure start on Google, you get your information off of?
I'm not getting anything from Google. And let me say this to you, if you are not confident in what I'm telling you, you can always find somewhere else to go, alright? So do you want to find somewhere else to go, or
No
should I
doc, no
proceed?
doc. Me want this because me can't
Okay.
take no more burden.
Alright, so here's what I'm gonna ask you to do. You're going to go back outside, not directly outside, you're gonna go through my door here, and you're going to knock on the first door on your right.
Okay.
That's my assistant, right? She will have the medications for you. Alright? So she's going to give you 2 of the insulins now, and when you go home, within 12 hours, you're going to take the next one. The antibiotics, you should take them every 12 hours. Alright? So if you take them 7 in the morning, you take them 7 at night. Every 12 hours, you're going to take those antibiotics until they're completed. Alright? So you have to take them until they're finished.
Alright, doctor.
Alright?
But when I say I'm going to take insulin now,
you're going to take 2 insulins now. There's another one that you should take. Alright? You're going to take it in another 12 hours. Alright?
So how me take it? It going to be liquid or it going to inject?
Yes, it's going to be injection.
Where am I inject it?
You're going to get it on here.
My hip?
Right at your spine there, yes. That's where you're going to get it. Alright?
Alright.
Yes. Alright, so the total that would be $23,870.
You can't drop a price off of it, doc.
Say again?
If I can deduct the price.
What price? I don't understand do you have a health card?
No, doc.
Alright, so that's the total. If you don't have it, then you can always get the money and then you can come back.
Alright, doctor.
You're gonna get the money and come back, or you're gonna pay now?
No, I have the money.
Okay, what are you going to be using? Cash or card?
Card.
Alright, so I'm gonna direct you same place where you're going to get the medication. You're going to pay there. I'm going to let her know now. Okay?
Okay, so I can go now?
Yes, you can go now.
Alright, thank you,
Alright,
doctor.
you're welcome. Thank you for coming. And I hope that you do get well soon. And next time, remember to stay protected, alright?
Alright, doctor, but you can't jump off the price next time, no?
I don't know these people. You guys, you go, you have unprotected sex and you get all those infections, and then you come to doctor. Doctor is supposed to help you, and you cannot, you don't want to help yourself. I don't understand you people. Hey Candy, what's up?
There. What one?
Jesus, there doesn't work.
Girl, I love seeing your uniform. You look good. You look good, you look good, you look
Oh
good.
Jesus, thank you so much, my darling.
So there, you know. I'm not telling you, like, my friend a long time after you left college and come in at this work, you do well.
I appreciate
love
you,
your
man.
daughter. Jesus,
Miss say,
see her the other day. Oh, she look good, so.
I know, so this morning I'm going to collect her school report and some, she do very well.
Oh, good, she pretty, me love her. God, thank God, she come bright like you.
I see it there.
Good
Who
work.
didn't know some million have one penny right?
That's true. Good work she found to like you. You know, say that
You don't want her to do doctor though.
No, she don't want to do that. Maybe she don't want to tell her do when they get older, then change their mind. You know, me answer the other day, say, when you grow up, what kind of work you want to do? You know, she said she want to be one air hostess. But see what she said? I want to be an air hostess. We said, really? You want to go in a god sky, go in a plane, in a brave? You know, no, me brave. My mother teach me to brave. I'm not afraid of nothing. Me say, oh, that's my friend. Mercy, man. Anyway, different from that. I know me have 3 sisters and you only know 2. You see, last one when I tell about you don't know her.
Your mother, daughter? Or your father?
My mother picked me man, but she not grow with my mother, so you don't really know her like that. Maybe you see her around one and 2 times, but you don't know her like the next 2. Okay, yeah, because I know Jules, and I know Ravi. Anyway, she bright just like you. That is very good. You know, so she did go to college. And if she not left already, she's gonna left one of them. But I know say she want to go on some working experience. You know? Okay. Yes. And I know you're busy all the while and always have some long line of people in your so and you need the help, so you could have get an assistant, you know? You know, so I have one assistant, but I don't know, like how you see, because me really have one assistant and she's very, I'm telling her, right now, she's top tier, I'm telling her, but like how your sister, I don't know, me probably can squeeze her in. Her work, and get on something there. See if we can find one space for her. Yeah, man, squeeze her in. So what she do now? She dey warm. I tell her, I say, me I go up on the road to see if me get through with something for her. She don't really know what. But me just did want to surprise her. Because the girl can work real good. She know about computer. Bad like that. She master anything on computer. Okay. So she can do any little thing, you know what I mean? Yes. Well, me happy for her at least. I have one little sibling you know, so they in 2 days. They always are going with them thing already and some one of them the travel agent. Yes, man. And so now one of them in the army. Girl, me she like a dog. You know me already, me your friend. No man, you don't have to be shame about nothing. Me you're brighter than me. Me 3 sisters them brighter than me. Me don't like a bad, me say. It's alright. You know see how you used to teach me to spell all my name. Me understand you. Can you me understand everything what you say, but me must say, and everybody born and can take a book. Me know, but at least you know worse can you have your local business that go on same way. Me feel no, but you have your local shop and sit now you they go on, so at least you can help yourself. Me feel away because right now the other day me go downtown and one little pitney where they go kindergarten look for me big woman and tell me to spell Jamaica and me can't spell it. So when me said to the little girl, say, how old are you? She said, I'm 3. So I say, you spell Jamaica, you're brighty. You know, say, me a big woman, you come and tell me to spell Jamaica. You little fitness spell out the Jamaica. You know, say, I don't even remember where it started. And she spell it, tell me, you know, everybody turn up, they look for me like, oh, that shame. Then Candy, you know, use name. Oh, you know she spell it right. Oh, you know, because the people, them did it, they said the little pitney can't spell Jamaica and that the big woman, they can't spell it. Me shame like I what? I say, go, no, but me understand you still, me understand, but you can't, you're not too old for learning, you can always try go back to school and sit in the same way. But try even do some little evening class and some. Yes, my sister them say they go put some money together and say me go on evening class. You can do it, you know. But at least you're in your local business and you can check. You mean you can read and the spell and something, but yeah, we can check and me can can't spend
At
what you
least
can't
nobody
read.
can rob you. You understand? But it's alright. But anyways, I mean I look on the camera and I want me see whole heap of people out there or something. So I go just maybe you can tell her today. Let me see today. You can tell her if you come. Tell her if you come Monday. Me will try find one look space here. Tell her if you come Monday. Tell her if you reach by 7 a.m.
Okay, thank you very much.
So you can tell her if you come.
No, say anything, go say no, you know.
Yeah, man, you can tell her if you come. We try work out something. And we can have my assistant, guide her along the same way. You understand? And we work out one look up here for her, because I know how it go.
Yes, alright, thanks.
Alright, so when she come tell her if we her ID or TRN or qualifications, them same way and some. All of what she have done. Her qualifications.
Qualification.
Let me tell you what she's supposed to bring.
ID,
TRN, certificates, which is her qualifications. Qualifications.
Okay.
Yes, so you can just tell her if you bring them. And our banking information as well, because we pay through the bank.
TRN?
Yes.
How do you call TRN when she figure out?
Our tax
so
registration number.
If you have TRN too.
Yes, but you're supposed to have one. You don't have one TRN. Just give her those and tell her if you bring them come.
Like if I want my TRN, I can come at doctor office and get my TRN.
No, you'd have to go to the tax office.
And
sign up on form or something and get them.
I think a doctor get it.
I mean, never know, man. Those things are government documents, So you'd have to go to the tax office to get them.
Okay.
Understand? Alright.
Alright.
So just tell her if you come Monday and bring those. Alright. And we work out something. You hear?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, darling. You take care of yourself now.
Yes, you too.
Alright.
Honey, have a favorite drink here?
No, man, that's good.
What do you mean?
What me ever do to you?
What you going to?
All these years, me there at college, and the only thing me ever try to do is be loyal to you. Me not there with nobody when me there at college, and the amount of man when there at the college because it's not a all-girl college. And the amount of people where look me, I'm not there with them. I'm just to try to be loyal to you. And you mean for tell me say the on Tinder, you make my friends see you see if I didn't even me buck you on that, it's bad or not so bad enough, but you make my friend buck you on Tinder, you're wicked so.
I mean you're wicked.
And then you're gonna make you look like you don't have nobody and that at me. Oh, you're evil so.
I can't be honest with you. It's never easy being out the road and you know the boat. Enough time I want to talk to your class. But there's something with the purpose, babe.
And the moment you go on Tinder, for look woman.
You
but
sure?
If me go on Tinder, for look a man. A man me want why me go on Tinder if me go on Tinder. You go on Tinder because you look woman. What me do you? What me do to you?
If it's okay, can work it out.
At this point, I don't think I can work out. I'm just done. I've had enough. I'm tired.
What do you mean?
Me you can't work. Me you can't work. This has to go just end. Everything I've got to cut here, so I'm done. I'm fed up. I'm tired of this. Just done. Done everything and stuff. As long as I cut me from God.
Dear, just wait now. I know say this is not a good information you get. Ever since you keep on and put me off and say you soon link up and all these things. No, but no, listen. You can't trust me on this.
My friend tell me that she takes your answer. Oh, you're evil, some man. I want me dear my youth. Yo, me got me hard, but have a nice day. Have a nice day, man.
Hi, Dr. Magic speaking. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. Send her in, please. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi. Remind me of your name, please.
So do Ali Adenkan.
Okay, but what is your full birth name?
Oh, my full name.
Yes,
Oh,
what's your name?
Leandra Gain. Leandra Gain.
Okay, so you're Candy's sister?
Eh?
Can you stop drinking the juice, please?
No, I could do that sweet.
You're Candy's sister?
Mm-hmm.
Let me have the documents that you took with you, please.
Document. I thought my sister need to tell me to get nothing. You
You
just tell me something to come up here.
You don't have an ID, TR, nothing.
Me have me TR and my ID, but just make it. I mean, no, me TR.
Okay. Alright, so here's it. Because she did come to me and she asked me to offer you a job to get some experience here. But I would need some information from you. Right? I'm going to ask you to fill out this form. I'm going to give you a form to fill out. And afterwards, you can go, but come back tomorrow morning and make sure that you have the documents readily available for me so I can view them. Alright?
I won't remember picture.
You should. It depends on you if you want a job or not. Alright?
So one paper, me can have give me a job?
No, I did not say I'm not going to give you the job. Alright, and just so you know that this doctor's office, this is not a party shop. Alright, and you ought to have some formal level of professionalism in you. Alright? When you come in, you were drinking the juice. It's like it appears that you're not ready for the job. As a college graduate. Alright? So I'm gonna ask you to sit on the outside for me, please, and fill out the form. After you fill out the form, you can give it to my assistant, and then you can leave. You can come back tomorrow morning with the other documents that I requested. You're gonna bring your ID, your TRN, your certificate, alright? And you're going to bring your banking information as well. Okay?
Alright.
Alright, so you can sign up on the outside. You can sign it up. Sign up the form, give it to the assistant. It's on the first door, the first door on your right. You can give it to her. Alright? Yes, you can go now.
Hello?
What?
Well, I'm here.
I wonder you come from man, coming over here, stand that you always a come.
Yeah, but this man, I'm sure I get caught up with some stuff, you know? Gotta get some stuff done like that. Okay, done my house thing already.
That's okay.
So one for you, good?
Boy, not really good enough. Wow, so money, you know. Kind of stress out, you know, and the other day, me no know what do me. Me feel sick and by me go doctor. They say me have to do blood test and sitting. So when me go to the lab now and go do the test, then say $14,000 for do it. So you know, say boy.
Oh, so that 20,000 I'm giving them, that your reason.
Eh?
The 20,000 I'm give you. Last week, I thought you used it though.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Alright, so.
I want some more money now to go buy up something. And me take one loan from JN. I want to pay ya back little. So, I wonder. Eh?
You want to take one loan?
Yeah.
Oh.
$1 million loan from them, and I did want to pay off back little. So I said, I want 500,000 could have sent me.
No, Jesus. Make it. No, I'm proceed with that. I'm coming in today. Yeah? I'm coming in to have a conversation.
I don't know if when you come here there.
Eh?
I don't know if when you come here there. So if you see me, and then one day when me there now, you come meet me.
So which way there right now? You gotta see there right now.
Me already for come go now. Right now me there I put on my clothes so come out the house.
So me can meet anywhere you go.
No man, driver come to me and I leave something on the road, so me not have time to linger. So
alright, guess what now? You see this I feel still and talk to you regardless of anything you say right now. See? So do what you do, then you show about later on. Alright?
So you gonna send the money?
Do what you do, then you show about later on. Still and talk. I would can't just go on so we we are spending too much money to you. Money. You understand? So that me me have to slow man. Like you're my girl, you have to have one thing where we settle I would say that amount of money you spend and where we go. And you know what I mean, all these things put in a progressive, plan. So we're not about to waste things, you know what I mean? So do what you do, then we'll link up. Alright?
Alright, me a hear. Do what I do.
Alright, babe. See, you still love me?
Yeah man, do what I do.
Me say you still love me?
Yes, do what I do.
So
Listen, rain a fall and me want to come go bum business before the rain come get you in your house. So have for yourself a wonderful day.
Yeah man, just take it easy, alright? Love you, baby.
Husband,
Yeah.
there. I want to talk to you. Oh yeah, the fuck?
Yeah, I get ready to come go for my friend. To spend 2 days with her because she told me say she want to stay with her.
I was trying to friend him that day. Who?
Brittany.
Brittany.
Yeah, Brittany, what happened? Why every time you mention when I'm a friend, you have to say what happened?
Leah.
No, I'm not having a friend.
Leah, me your bigger sister. Me not say you cannot have friend. Yes, you can, but it depends on the type of friend that you're keeping. Okay?
But Brittany, I'm a good girl.
I'm not Brittany alone and you a friend. You have so many different type of friends who do different things. And I realize, say, you have pop bag. You go stay a friend yard for 2 days and I bring so much clothes. Where you up to?
Spend, but just apply for the spend 2 days with Brittany. Call me, say she want me to spend 2 days with her. Say she want me and her go to her. So I just have to spend 2 days with her. Nothing too serious.
I don't understand that part there.
I'm not too serious. She said she want me to spend 2 days with her.
So you and Brittany are going to sleep on the same bed or 2 different rooms or what? How it all go? Because listen to me now. Let me tell you where I come from, Leah. Me hear most of what you're doing, only because me not mention it to you. Well, me I go tell you about when I see, because when I hear, maybe I make up. You know what I see you are doing since recently. You're then kind of friendly, where you say a friend. Then kind of friendly, where you call friend is not your friend. You hear me? And you need to stop the way you do. Me don't like what they do. Why you do them something there? Look how you're pretty. Leah, you make good sister. Me don't want you make no friends spoil you up. You talk to too much man. At the same time.
But me no want none of them.
I know. That's the reason why I come to talk to you. You need to stop take all of the men them money and you don't need them. No take their money because you don't want them. And that me they say.
Man take woman things and they don't want them.
Stop thinking about them woman there. And a few things then take.
Enough time man want take my things and
they want to do it, but did you allow them to do it?
Well, one and two of them do it.
See that same thing.
So me and the partner are calm. But it's not worry yourself.
No, me not like it. Leah, you can't get pregnant. I don't know why daddy.
Since me not agree. Because none of them not see me, but they what would they call this? None of them not see me. So, they neither.
First of all, you say
so me not worry
one and two of them get it.
No, man, then when we talk about those were the days when I was doing relationship. When I had a relationship, no, me just call one man and beg him little money and tell him this and tell him that he's with him.
So hold on there. Leah, listen to me. Me your bigger sister and nothing foolish me and tell you no. Leah, you know much woman missing. You know much woman left from the yard and tell them parent or them sister or brother or father say, I'll be back, or me soon come back, and they no return. You know why? Because them dishonest and they love cheat and they lie. They take man things, make man buy house, land and car and give them money and clothes and everything what they want. Man support them, man fall in love with them. When man fall in love with you, they will give you anything as long as they have it. You understand? And if you make none of them man there, where they can, because I can't they can them, you use the head pan them, you they jingle them, you they trick them, you take them things, and at the end of the day, you look on them in them two eye, with fear two eye them, and they tell them about I love you. You see, you're dangerous, you're my sister, I make sure I talk to you before things go on to you, because I don't want nothing but that to you, know. Leah, you know, I love you as my sister. Please, may they beg you, be careful of what you're doing with yourself or one life you have.
That's serious, man. Where is it?
I lie.
Like I said, I go try to work around it. I go for a go spend 2 days with her and relax. I you to send more money and I'm there with one.
So which part of the youth then know? Foreign? Or in the Jamaica?
Yeah. Tony come from two, so I come check me. But them say not to come up here, man, because I depend on where I come out there.
So where you know this youth from?
Well, I don't want to listen. I don't know that app on my phone. I will use Tinder.
Yeah, Tinder.
And I Francis for me and he start text. And he take the number and he start text for WhatsApp and he just start sending some money.
So the youth tell us saying come from town. And your Billy is saying come from town. You hear the name when you saying come from? Don't play with them people there. They not take check.
They don't make. Never know me look. I'll be a fake picture of send go give him and call him and talk to him. You don't know how me look at him. If you call me look, I call him man. So the man don't know nothing about.
They don't make threat. They make promise.
Muandiri kumulinya kama bro. Bangu panas dalam dalam.
Progress.
You know, like, me, I think you lost.
I look for which part in there.
You look for me there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you what I'm going to say. You know, you're not easy, judging now. But I want to say, they're tired like dog.
Mm-hmm. What are you?
Yeah? The day I do some washing and cleaning and me I say I cook and something. It just drain me.
Oh.
But not good still, you're the fan still. You come here, they will say make your can one juice, come give me, you buy one juice for yourself. You must be a ladies gentleman.
I
You
don't
could
know
buy
if I
two
want
juice.
juice. You want juice to drink?
Yeah, more one juice, I want nice juice to drink.
There's a drink to that, sir?
Yeah, a shop about
Alright, my bad drink some food.
You know when you take I can take the favorite or something. Oh, Brittany, where the fun? I want to tell us that the boy I take long with the money. Me so come man. I come meet him in about guess what going on now. The boy come with all one juice. Me call her back. Yeah, later. Me so come. Aye.
Oh, yeah, the funny phone with.
My sister.
Your sister? Mm-hmm. I never know say about sister.
Yeah, me have. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Jaja. It's full of beer. Bro. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, but
Next time when you meet woman, you make sure you bring two things. Or you wait until you meet them till you get something to drink or eat. You understand? Because you can't ask yourself, you know. So you're the family friend.
I'm just leave one call look here because I don't see me I talk for a good while now. But I'm glad so we could have finally meet you. I feel like we have one good connection, you know. We really like you.
Well, I mean, I don't feel that way. I like it too, but the thing is now,
Mm.
so we never actually meet you in person. You
Yeah.
don't know what to think. But now that we meet you in person, we can say yes, I like it.
Okay.
So, you don't have like kids or nothing. Because we discussed that over the phone, but I don't remember your response.
No, we don't have kids.
Also, well, a good thing that's still, because that man know where them people still, you know. Be a problem with them being man and them thing. But anyways, long story short,
Yeah.
you carry something to give me now.
So where do you want money for?
Come on, Nathan, man. I remember money when I asked you about from where you.
You must say that talk to me say you want something for like private money for go and work or something, but
Yeah, me want money for that work. And me ear want do, me nails them want do, me want some new clothes and something.
what the fuck them do?
Me put them not do, they want do. You know, see me told them they want do. And me pala them with nail polish, they want do. So, me I beg you want money to deal with all of that. You can't want woman and no want to take care of me.
No, I'm not asking more if me and you get together, I'm not asking me not to give money. I really like
Stop
you.
make it look that way, then, man. Because I like you too, but me not take up no man when I do nothing for me. Because if you ask if you do something for me, I do it. You come and go on, like, where you going so far?
Oh man, I just because me never carry enough money with me, that's why.
How much money you carry?
Me can I don't know if money me carry. Me can probably be 4,000.
$4,000?
That not enough.
$4,000? So what you expect this to do?
So that can at least you
God,
put them or
you
something.
cannot busy. What you expect this to do? This can't even pay me fair for within week. Can make a work and buy lunch. Much less for the new year.
No, me I will give you more money than just because me never carry enough money with me right now.
Transfer some money to me account now, because I need you know. You're just a tax ago when you call.
So how much you do here?
Eh?
What you do here?
Just transfer 120,000 after New Year.
What?
You can 120,000. What that cost you? That not burn your pocket. That not nothing.
No, me not say me not go burn my
Remember say
pocket.
you tell me say you have to take care of me. You have money, now, so stop come go on like you gonna call some food for me now.
No.
Listen, $20,000 you can transfer for the me here, and then you can transfer one 25. We can do me nails and me toenail, and then you know say me want some new clothes and so you have to just transfer $150,000 come give me. That's not nothing.
So 20 I just do you here.
Listen, much you do me finger, how much you do me here, it don't really matter. Just send me the money come give me, and that's it. You don't have nothing more for it.
Alright, we can send it to you. I just probably tomorrow later. Later tomorrow, we probably.
So why you can't transfer your phone to me now?
No, I just.
Remember, see, you always a transfer to me, it's a transfer now before you leave, so can you not have an excuse?
No, but I really like you.
You really like me. And when you give me money, if but maybe.
No, man.
Send me the money if you send me money and stop going like it. You mad?
Alright, we can send you at 12. That good?
12 what? Eh? I must say $12 because I can't $12,000. Your account can't set up to send 12,000 I go give somebody. Me want send me 25 now when you reach home later, you send the next 25. I mean, you see that.
Alright, but other than that, miss anybody, but other than that, when me I can spend some proper time.
Don't worry yourself, we talk about that at a later date. Me can't go home now.
So me I say I can call it me now.
Me can't come now, me go do me here. Send me the money so me can go check me register.
But
And my
after
sister wait for me. Me have a long day today. Me can't, you know, meet up till probably about tomorrow or so.
tomorrow so we can meet up.
Yeah, tomorrow or so. So send me the money now and by later and reach home and send you rest.
Alright. Yeah, look if I get you get the 25.
You get it. Look here, I'm putting in. I can send the next 25. I'm trouble, you know. Man shop here text me and can't get me and call me and can't get me. I'm putting in the money. Cause you tell me if you want to meet up with me, I'm meet up with you. So no play with me. Anyways, I can't go in. So yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come inside. Good morning. Remember, this is not your home. This is an office. You knocked the door more than twice. And I said to come, and you keep on banging on the door. That's not how you do it. My name is Dr. Mercy. Please address me by my profession. It's Dr. Mercy. Or you can say doctor.
Miss Dr. Mercy.
Dr. Mercy.
Okay. So, Miss Wilson,
Can you pull your blouse up, please? Pull it up. I don't need this thing of cleavages. Is this how you come to work? This is not the correct attire.
I don't know what kind of work me I do. It's no use and pick up my work. I'm just put on something.
And with the qualification that you have, do you want to be the janitor here? You have to dress as a professional coming to work. This is a workspace. And as I said before, this is not a party shop. Now, whenever I speak to you, I would want for you to give some form of respect. Okay. You're coming to work, it's work. Work is work. You need to ensure that you have the correct attire. Okay? And I'm going to have to talk to your sister regarding this. Because the first impression lasts. Let me speak, please. Now, if you need the job, you're going to have to listen keenly and follow instructions. Is that understood? Thank you. Now you're going to go back outside. You're going to go to room 7. And at room 7 on shelf number 4, you're going to see some uniforms. You're going to take a package out. Whether small, medium, or large, whichever one you think would fit you, you're going to take one out and you're going to try it. And once it fits you, let me know. I will give you some additional uniforms. You can try. I would want to think that medium would fit you. So you can try the medium. If it does not fit, then you can try the large. If it's too big, you can get the small one. Let me know. Go, please.
So what if none don't fit?
If it don't fit, you may have to sort something else. But you can try all 3 sizes, and whatever fits, you let me know. Please go.
Brittany. Girl, I want to say, come like, me just fed up and me just can't bother. You know, you can't believe so after everything what me do for that you there and you need to find out, you need to tell me say, you find out say, this one upon Tinder look woman after everything when me and this man been through in the pan Tinder look woman Brittany right now me fed up and can't bother. Girl, me there work and the woman that me I work for come like the woman not even like me. A base stress and problem. Me just fed up of this and tired and me just can't bother. Girl, a base stress. Me just stressed out and tired. Everything when me try come like it just not work. Like, girl, after everything when me been through with this man, this boy really I don't know this. Girl, right now I'm tired, you know. Me feel like I just give up on everything, you know. I don't know if I go work back for that woman there again. And I don't know if I will continue the relationship because I can't deal with this no more. This has stressed me out, girls. I want to take a wash off in the river. And just right now I'm not even like this. You see right now to how I feel, Brittany? You see right now to how I feel? No, girl. Better me just stay to myself.